Alright, in this video we are going to talk about multiplication of a vector by a scalar. Suppose I have a vector like this. Let's call this a vector p bar. Now multiplication of a vector by a scalar, what does it do? Suppose if I multiply this vector by 2, so it will become 2 times p bar. So if I multiply it with 2, the direction of that vector p bar is going to be the same, but the length of this vector is going to be the double. So this is 2p bar vector. So if you multiply with any positive number, any vector, if you multiply with any positive number, the direction of that vector is going to be the same and the magnitude will become double, triple and so on, or it can be reduced. For example, if I multiply with the half p bar, so if I multiply with the half, the length of this vector becomes half. So the direction theta is going to be the same. See, so I am denoting the direction by the variable theta, right? So this is what we have. But what if I multiply with the negative number? If I multiply with a negative number, suppose again I will draw a reference vector a bar, and let's say I multiply with a negative number minus 2. Then what will happen? This vector will be having the same different direction, 180, it will be 180 degree opposite, but the magnitude will be the double. If this is having a magnitude, this will be having double magnitude, but the direction is different, opposite side, it is 180 degree opposite, exactly opposite. If I draw it here, you will see it is like this, correct? And now if I multiply with minus half, then what will happen? It will become half of the magnitude, minus half with the opposite direction, right? Now what if I multiply with a 0? If I multiply any vector with a 0, the answer to that will be a null vector. What is a null vector? Null vector is a vector which does not have any magnitude, because I am multiplying by 0, right? So it does not have any magnitude, but no specified direction as well. Doesn't have any specified direction. So it is a 0 magnitude vector without any specific direction. So this is called null vector, or you can say 0 vector. So if 0 vector. So what is a 0 vector? 0 vector is a vector with a 0 magnitude and unspecified direction. So this is how the multiplication by a scalar works. Thank you.